Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today I want to discuss history syllabus with you for your midterm examination. As you know very well, there are two chapters in your syllabus. The number one chapter, Mughal Empire, the foundation. Over here they have discussed about different personalities. Number one, Zahiruddin Babur. He was very important person. They have discussed his early life, his practical life, and all the battles of Panipat. After this, you can see next person is the Siruddin Muhammad Humayun. Basically, he was the son of Zahiruddin Babur. He has also fought so many battles with Lodhis and Afghans. Okay, and he was a very successful person. After this, Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri was a very brave person. They have discussed his early life and they have discussed all the reforms taken by him. He has introduced so many new reforms and currency systems. All this system has been introduced by him. Now come to exercise. Over here you can see part 1. There are 4 options for each question. Tick the correct one. Over here they have given you one statement and there are 4 options and you have to select correct one. Question number 2, write down short answers of the following questions. Number 1, in the history of India, how Humayun regained his lost kingdom? Okay, number 2, write down 2 reasons of Babur invasion on India. Number 3, how Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj. Then number 4, in the region of Sher Shah Suri, which 2 basic officials were appointed. And last one is, which social welfare institutions were established by Sher Shah Suri. All these answers you have written in your copy. Even I have taken your test in the class. Okay, after this question number 3, fill in the blanks. Over here blanks have been given and you have to fill with proper words. After this question 4, mark the right answer. Over here you can see the statements and you have to mark tick and cross. After this next page, column A and column B, and you have to write correct answer in column C. You have done this in your book. Then you can see part 2. Over here you have to write down detailed answer. In question number 1, 2, 3 you have write all detailed answer. You have done all these in your copy. After this next chapter, Mughal Empire consolidation. In this chapter we will learn about Mughal Empire consolidation and expansion. The very first person, Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. As you know very well, Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar was very brave person. He fought so many battles and especially second battle of Panipat, right? And he introduced so many reforms as well. After this, Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir and Nurjan, we have read about them. Then Shah Jahan was very brave person. He fought so many battles and he has made so many beautiful buildings. The next is Aurangzeb Alamgir. He was very brave person and he especially introduced religious policy and he banned all kind of music in the court. After this, open page number 60. Over here you can see exercise part 1. There are 4 options for each question. Pick the correct one. Again same question. They have given you 4 options and you have picked the correct one. After the question 2, write down short answers of following questions. So they have given you short questions and you have to write the answer. Then question number 3, fill in the blanks according to the original text. So you have to fill in the blanks. Then question 4, tick and cross. You have done all this in your book. Then you can see column A and B. Again you have done in your book. Then part 2, long questions. Write down detailed answers. So in all the questions you have to write detailed answers. You have done all these answers in your copy. Okay. So this is your syllabus. You have to learn short question answers, true, false, fill in the blanks and long questions. Everything you have done in the class and even I have taken your test. So one thing I want to tell you, write question with a pointer or even with the marker and write question very neatly. After writing one question, draw ending line, then start next question. Do your paper very neatly, draw straight margin lines, right? And if you want to leave one line, you can leave, but paper should be very neat. Okay, best of luck for you. Allah Hafiz students.